unique, my potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me, my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Good evening. Say a big good evening to all your friends out there. Very good, very good. I'm going to show. Very good evening. So all your friends. You remember that I showed you the Mickey Mouse. Good evening, right? Today I'm going to show a different picture. Okay, you're all going to see. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm just going to open the picture. You're all going to see the picture on the screen. Look onto the screen. No turning around. No turning around looking at your parents now anymore. We are going to start the class now. Okay, ma'am is going to show you this. And I'm going to ask you, how are you? You're going to tell me, how are you? Okay, see? Are you all seeing the picture? Small. What is this? Teddy bear or rabbit? Small teddy, or you can say it as bunny too. So rabbit, it's asking, good evening. Yeah, and it's asking, how are you? It's asking, how are you? You all say fine to this. It will be happy. See, it is giving you flowers, wishing you good evening, ma'am. It's good evening, children. It is saying. Good evening, Bunny. Yeah, so you all said good evening to Bunny. Bunny is so happy now.
Bunny. Good evening, Bunny.
Bunny is so happy to see you all back after Saturday and Sunday. It was missing you all. So Bunny is happy to see you all back today. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to close this. You want to see Bunny again? I'm going to show you one more time. Then close it. Okay.
I'm bye.
Okay, good. Bunny is saying bye-bye now. Okay, Bunny is saying bye-bye and it is going off now. And you're going to see ma'am again. Okay? Okay. So you all saw Bunny and it was saying good evening to you all. Okay. And there is one more boy who is coming to meet you today. Let me show you that boy. See, this boy has come to meet you all and say good evening. See, this boy, we can name this boy as something. What do we name this boy as? Shall we name him Sam? Easy name, Sam. 3-letter word, Sam. S for Sam. Okay. So this boy Sam is going to be a friend from today, and from today onwards he's going to talk to us daily and he's going to ask us how are you. Okay. So say hi to Sam. Hi Sam. Okay. Yeah. Hi my dear friends. Coming to see you all. Okay. Sam is saying bye bye. He's saying, friends, you all stay in mute. You all stay in mute so that everybody can hear what ma'am is saying. And that after the class is over, I'll come and meet you. He's saying bye to you and is going back now. Okay. Now I see many of you have written your homework. So big round of clap for each one of you who have written. Those who have not written, that's not at all a problem. That's fine. You take your time and write when you are free. Okay. So give a big round of clap for yourself. Very good, children. So nice to see you all. Okay. Now we have done with the kids anthem. We're going to do our attendance now. Okay. I'm going to call out the name as usual, one by one. We're going to say, here I am and your name. Okay. Quickly, we're going to do this. I'm going to start with Adya Shri.
Hi. Yes.
Here I am.
Here I am, Adya.
Okay, very good. Arav.
My name is Hirayan. My name is Arav. Jojo.
Very good. Akshat.
My name is Akshat. Here I am. Akshat, you.
Very good. Arjun. Say here I am.
Here I am. My name is Sajat.
Very good, Arjun. Dayanand.
Here I am.
My name is Gautam.
Here I am.
Here I am. Yo-yo.
Very good. Gutvik.
I am here, ma'am. My name is Gitwik.
Jayakrish.
Here I am. My name is Jayakrish Yo-yo.
Very good. Kaushik.
My name is
I didn't see Kaushik.
Yo-yo.
Kaushik, I'm just trying to find you. Wait. Okay. Hi, Kaushik. Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay.
Here I will say, ma'am.
Kavin.
My name is Kavin Yo-yo.
Very good. Very quick. Kumara Guruparan. Kumara Guruparan has joined us. Has he joined us? No, I don't think so. Okay. Rakshita ji.
My name is Lakshita. I am here, ma'am. Yo-yo.
Very good. Lakshraj.
My name is Laksharaj. I like a yo-yo.
Here I am.
Lion.
Lisha. Okay, Lisha.
I am. Here I am. I am Lisa Yo-yo.
Very good. Lekshita S. Lekshita S. Okay. Satvik M. Here I am.
Here I am.
Hmm.
Yo-yo.
Okay, Satvik. Nikita Shri. No, okay. Niveen Surya.
My name is Ayushi Yo-yo.
Here I am.
Here I am.
Okay. Roshan.
I'm here. I'm here. My name is Yo-yo.
Okay, Roshan. Mahaswan. Can please others stay on mute? Except for that. Please others stay on.
My name is.
Ma'am, wait.
I'm sorry. Others please stay on mute. Except for the name. I'm calling out. Others please stay on mute. Mahaswan, yes, go ahead, Mahaswan. I'm sorry. Yeah, go ahead. Here I am.
Here I am, ma'am. My name is Yo-yo.
Very good. Rayan.
My name is Yo-yo.
Very good. Sai Charan.
Here I am.
Very good. Izan. Izan. I didn't see Izan joining us. Has Izan joined? No. Okay.
No.
Izan has joined us? No. Okay. Shiva.
My name is Shiva. Yo-yo.
Here I am.
Here I am, yo-yo.
Okay. Shravan. Shravan.
Here I am. My name is Ravan. Yo-yo.
Very good. Varnika. Varnika. Varnika is here? No. Okay. Yuvansai.
My name is Yuvansai. Here I am. Yo-yo.
Very good, Yuvansai. I don't want anything inside your mouth except for the food. No pencils, no hand. Okay? Okay, good evening, children. That we are done with the, you all said your attendance. Thank you so much. We have done with the prayer. We have done with the attendance. Now we are going to do a little activity. Okay? So what shall we do is, I want all you to stand up. I want all of you to stand up.
Stand up.
And then count and walk 5 steps. You're going to walk 5 steps, okay? See, I'm going to show how I'm going to show how I'm going to walk. You're going to see this and do same way, okay? I'm just going to see how ma'am is walking. See, you're able to see ma'am's leg. I'm going to show my leg. See, I'm here. I'm going to walk 1, 2, Like that, you're going to walk 5 steps forward and 5 steps backward. What I mean by backward is, see, now I'm walking forward. 1, 2, like that I'm walking, and backward is 1, 2. I'm going to walk back. So I want everybody to walk 5 steps forward and 5 steps backward. Okay. I'm going to see, ma'am is not going to walk with you now. I'm going to see how my friends are walking now. Okay. You're going to count 1 to 5 while walking forward, and then while walking backward, you're going to from 5 to 1. I'm going to count. You're just going to walk. Okay. 1. Let's start now. Stand, and let's walk together. Everybody's getting ready. Please stop. Please stop. We are all going to do together. Okay. Now when I say start, you're going to start walking. Okay. Legs closer. No jumping. Stand properly. Okay. We are going to start now. I'm going to count 5. You're going to walk 5 steps forward. Okay. 1 step forward. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to walk backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. When I say 0, you should stop walking. Very good. Now children, come back to your seat. Everybody is awake now. Everybody had your lunch, right? So no laziness, no sleeping, no tired. Sit straight, everyone. Is ma'am is sitting straight? Are you able to see ma'am? Is ma'am doing like this or like this, and ma'am is sleeping? No, right? Ma'am is sitting straight. So I also want you to sit straight along like me. Okay. Very good. I see everybody sitting straight. Good job. So everybody is active now. So children, what are we going to do today is we're going to sing a new rhyme. I think most of you would have known the rhyme. If not, no problem. And we are going to learn this. Sing after me. Okay. God's love, it's so wonderful. Sing after me. Okay. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high. See, my ma'am's hands, it's so high. You can't get over it. It's so deep. It's so deep. You can't get under it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Nice to see you all waving your heads like me. Very good, children. We are going to do one more time, okay? God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high. You can't get over it. It's so deep. You can't get under it. It's one thing, one more I'm going to add. It's so wide. You can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Very good. You did with nice action. I can see all of you doing the actions and opening your mouth. Very good. Okay. So now, as per the plan, we are going to learn 2 things, important things today. One, we are going to learn about emotions. You know what is emotions? See, okay, I'm going to ask you. Yuvan Sai. Please unmute Yuvan Sai. Even so, you're getting a gift from somebody. So what will you do? You'll be sad or happy? When somebody gives you gift, yeah, show me that happy face. Yeah, when somebody gives you a gift or something nice happens to you, you'll be all happy, right? Okay. Arav, see, when you do something naughty at home, what will your mother do? Arav, tell me, what will your mother do when you do some naughty at home? What will your mother do when you break something? What will your mother do? She'll be happy. Your mother will be happy. Or she'll be sad. Or she'll be angry. How will your mother be? Oh, like that. Show me the angry face. Show me the angry face. How will your mother be? She'll be happy. Maybe she'll be. Oh, she'll be like that. Okay, right? Right? You're not supposed to scream like this. Okay, Ryan. Ryan, please unmute and tell me. Say you brought a new pencil to school, okay? You lost that pencil. How will you be? You'll be happy or you'll be sad? Show me the sad face. Let me see. Like that, okay. Okay. So this is what we're going to learn today, okay? We're going to learn about emotions. How will we react when something happens to us? When we get something nice, when it's our birthday, we'll be super excited, right? So how will we not only laugh, we'll not only smile, we'll also laugh. That is so excited. I'm going to show you pictures. You're all going to see and tell me. Nobody is going to, in my class, my children are very good. Nobody is going to trouble their parents there, sit properly, and nobody is going to eat pencils there. I don't want any more pencils eating. If whenever we are writing, we have to take pencils. Otherwise, please keep the pencils down. Everyone, please keep the pencils down. Nobody is going to use pencil now. Only when ma'am is asking, you're going to take the pencil. Sit straight. I'm going to show you the picture. You're going to see the smiley and tell me. I'm going to call one by one. So listen carefully and look onto the screen now. You see the picture here? Okay. So I'm going to ask one by one. Lisha, do you see this pink picture? What ma'am is showing?
This
See this pink one? You see this pink one?
Pink one.
Yeah. You see this? See it is smiling. See it is having a smiling face. It is smiling like this. Happily it is smiling, right? So this is yeah, it is showing the smiley face. Okay. Now I'm going to call Mahaswin. You see this blue color? You see this blue color circle? How it is showing the face? Sad. See, this is tear. When you cry, you will get tears from your eyes. Yeah, it is sad. Very good, Mahaswin. See, this blue color is crying. It is very sad. I don't know why. Maybe it's some of them scolded him, or might be he lost something. He's crying. Seriously, he's showing the sad face like this. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to call Grathvik. You see this green color? I'm showing green color.
Green color.
And green color.
This one, the man is showing. You see this arrow here?
green color.
How is it?
Hungry.
How it is?
Green color.
It's surprise. Surprise. Yeah. See, it's your birthday. Your father and mother are bringing a gift, surprise gift wrapped in a nice gift wrapper. You open the gift box. You see a nice, your favorite toy in it. Will you be super excited, surprised or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Show me a surprising face. Let me see. How will you be surprised? Like this. Yes, like that. Yes. Wow, so nice. Like that. Yes, that is surprising. Very good. Now I'm going to call Kavin. Tell me what is this red color is doing? This red color. Yeah, it's very angry. It's very rude and angry. Maybe he didn't get him. His parents didn't get him the favorite toy or something. Yeah, it's very angry. Show me an angry face, Kavin. How will you be angry? Oh, I'm so scared. Don't show me that angry face anymore. I'm scared. I'm afraid. Show me only smiley faces. Yeah, so nice to see that. Okay, next I'm going to call Dayanand. Tell me what is this one is doing. It's super excited. It's showing all its teeth. It's showing E. Show me E. Yeah. When you see last week you had your birthday, right? You are super excited on your birthday when cutting the cake. How will you show your face? Ah, jolly. Super excited. Okay. This is also super excited. Okay. Then I'm going to show you. Ayyo, I closed it. Just give me a minute. It's taking time. Yeah. Okay. And the last one, this one, yellow color. I'm going to call upon Lisha. Lisha, tell me how was this? Did I call Lisha before? It's yellow color. What it is doing? It's very silly. It's having fun. When you make fun or comedy with somebody, you'll do like this, right? Showing the tongue out. Okay, this is silly. So, when you say silly, silly.
Silly tail. Yes. Tell silly. Hey, silly.
Super excited. This one is happy. This one is sad, very sad, teary eyes. This one is angry. Here, one is surprised. And this one is silly. Okay, ma'am is going to say, you're going to say after me now. Slowly, okay? Excited. Everybody open your mouth at home and say, don't unmute. Please don't unmute. Say it at home. Excited. Happy. Sad. Angry. Surprised. Silly. Okay. And I'm going to show you one more picture. Same way. Oops, yeah. So this is also something the same way. Same way. Surprised. Happy. Worried. Sad. These two are both are sad. Okay, and this one is angry. Angry. Excited. And this one is
Jumanji.
no, it's not Jumanji. It's not Jumanji. These are all smart emojis. Okay. So what we're going to do today in our activities, now I want everybody to take a pencil and a paper or a rough note. Those who have worksheet, please take the worksheet. We have shared already the worksheet number. I'll just open it so that we both can be in same worksheet. Just give me a minute. Today is day 6, right? Yeah. Okay. See, everybody is seeing my worksheet. Okay. So same way. See this boy, he's happy. So he's having a nice smile. He's sad. So look at his eyes, half closed, and the face his mouth is so closed. He's very tired. See, you go out for some shopping or you go to some in a train, you go on a long journey. You look tired, right? So this boy is little tired. He's angry. This boy, everybody, while coming to my class after having lunch, some of you are feeling sleepy. I can see that. Sleepy. This boy is scared. See, at night you wake up, it's very dark. How will you feel? You'll be angry? No, you'll be scared. Oh, I'm afraid. That's what's scared. Now what we are going to do is, those who are having worksheet, please take this worksheet SR day 06 ERPWS01. Those who have rough note, please take your rough note. Get your pencils sharpened. We are going to draw. Okay. Those who have worksheet, you are going to draw. How do you feel your face like? What do you think today? If you're scared, you're going to draw something big eyes. If you're happy, you're going to draw this. I'm going to draw a happy face and I'm going to draw a sad face too. So those who want to draw happy, draw, or those who want to draw sad, you can draw. Okay. I'm going to show it now. Get ready, everybody. See, ma'am has already drawn 2 circles here. Okay. Just in your rough note, you can draw 2 circles. Draw 2 circles. Everybody don't draw a circle. I'm going to draw. You're going to draw along with me if you don't know. No problem. See, ma'am is going to take a pencil like you, and she's also going to draw. You're going to draw along with me. So ma'am is going to draw a small circle. Okay. Let me draw a proper circle here. I'm going to draw a circle. Circle. Everybody knew to draw a circle. I saw your homeworks. Everybody has drawn circle. So you know to draw circle. Okay. Now I think everybody would have drawn at least one circle. Okay. If you've drawn one circle, then ma'am is going to draw. First, I'm going to draw happy face. Okay. So I'm going to take a black color. I'm going to draw first the eyes. Okay. First, I'm going to draw the eyebrows. You learned the parts of the body, right? Eyebrows. So I'm going to draw 2 small eyebrows. Are you all with me? Are you all drawing in your rough note? Yeah, I'm seeing you all. Very good. In your work, those are worksheet, you can use your worksheet and then draw. I'm going to show you. Just give me a minute. I'm just seeing how you're all drawing. Then I'll just show you. Oh, somebody has pinned it. Okay. Okay. So everybody draw a circle and draw these 2 small eyebrows. And then I'm going to draw a small eyes. Small eyes. Okay. Then I'm going to draw a small nose. Sorry, somebody is asking something. Are you able to see my screen, everybody? Okay, and ma'am is going to draw a smiling face. See? Smiley. Like you, right? Draw you. You will get smiley. See, here also I'm going to draw same thing. I'm going to draw eyebrow. I'm going to draw 2 eyes. I'm going to draw a small nose. And then I'm going to draw a big smiley. I'm happy today, so I'm going to draw this. Now, so this one, under this, I'm going to write happy. You're going to write along with me, happy spelling. Ha, ha, happy. So H, I'm going to write that big with a proper font so that you don't get confused. Give me a minute. Okay, ma'am is going to write happy now. So you're also going to rough note. You're going to write happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Right? H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. So we have drawn a happy face today. Draw slowly, no problem. Eyebrows, we just need this smiley. Okay. And those who want to draw, I don't think anybody wants to draw sad face, but I'll just tell you if you want to draw at home whenever you're free. This is what, as I know, this face, eyebrows, then eyes, then nose, and then a sad face. See, he's having a sad face. We forgot to draw. If you want, draw the ears for this. He didn't have hair too. If you want, you can draw hairs too. Let me try drawing that. Let's not have him bald. Okay. So ma'am has drawn 2 faces. One is happy, the other one is sad. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. So we have drawn 2 faces. Those who have worksheet, you have whatever you want, you can draw. Have you all finished drawing? One smiley is enough. I mean, you can draw any one. Happy or sad, one thing is fine. We have to move on to the next one. If you have drawn, show me thumbs up. I see many of you writing. So, yeah, I think many of you are showing. I'm just going to unpin. I think I'm not able to see you all. Give me a minute. Yeah, I think some of you are showing a worksheet. I'm just trying to. Okay, I'm in presenting. Okay, I can see Shiva. I can see Dayanand writing. Lisha, very good. Okay, I've drawn in the rough note too. Very good. You wrote happy and sad. Good, Shiva. Very good. Okay, what about others? I'm just trying to see. I'll just show the screen. If you've done, tell me. But I'll move on to the next one. Done, children? Can I close this? Yes? Very good. Yeah, I see. Okay, Dayanand. Good, Dayanand. You wrote happy, sad. Very nice. Nice. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing. If anybody didn't write, let me know. Okay, I'm going to see all your drawings. Okay. Yes, very good, Rayan. I saw your worksheet. Very good, Rayan. Good. Can you show me? Yeah, Mahasana, come see. I saw you, Diana. I saw Shivas. I saw Rayan. Saitun, can you show me your worksheet? No, I can't see the face. Can you just grab it down? You didn't do it in your worksheet. You didn't do in your worksheet. I showed you the worksheet name, right? You didn't do in your worksheet. You don't. You have your worksheet, right? You can do it in your worksheet. Okay, those who don't have, you can draw it in the upload. Okay. Okay, I'm going to see who's that. Lakshita. Lakshita, you colored it too quickly. Okay, good. Yes, Adya. Yeah, okay, you wrote happy sad. Can you just lift it up? It's glaring. Yeah. Much better. Yes, yes. Very nice. Nice. You drew a better circle than me. Lakshraj. Yeah, Lakshraj. You do the heart too. Wow, Lakshraj. Lakshraj, you can write your name either in capital letter or small letter. Don't mix capital and small. Okay, Lakshraj? Okay? Yeah. Then who is showing? Gautam. Yeah, Gautam. Very good, Gautam. You do a happy smile. Very nice. Everybody has drawn. Good job. Okay, I'm going to check the others too. Who is showing me now? Kavin, can you show me? Have you written? Have you drawn the smiley, happy smiley and sad smiley? Yeah, Kritik. Very good, Kritik. I saw your worksheet. Very good. Can you just lift it up? Bit closer. Yeah. Okay. Good. Then whom did I miss? Lisha, can you show me, Lisha? I saw yours. Very good. Okay. Okay. Very good, Lisha. Okay, somebody is showing me here. Who's that? Can you show me your face? Yeah, okay. Jai Krish. Yeah. Very good, Jai Krish. Okay, you're going to write sad now. Okay, write sad. No problem. You know the spelling for sad? S-A-D, sad. Shravan, can I see you? Can you see your notebook? Very nice, Shravan. Good job. Okay, you also, Shravan, either write in full capital letter or small letter. Okay, you wrote S-A in small and D in capital letter. Don't mix like that. Okay, S. Then write A either in small letter. If D should be in small letter. Okay, don't mix capital and small. Very good, Shravan. Then who else? I didn't see. Roshan, can you show me? I didn't see yours. Yeah, I'm seeing it. Okay, little bit far. It's glaring. I'm not able to see. Yeah. Very good. Happy. Very nice. And smiling. Oh my God, you drew a smile. Okay. Nice. Okay, then who else? Aravakshat. Yeah, show me Aravakshat. Don't eat your notebook. Show me. Yeah, nice. Happy. Lift it up. Can you just lift it? Yeah. It's crying, so sad. Okay, yours. No, I'm not able to see. No, yeah, no. Okay, I'm going to give smiley for your mother. She's only showing it to me. You're not showing it to me. I'm going to give smiley for your mother, not for you. Shall I? Shall I give a smiley to your mother? Oh my God. Okay, now I'll give you a smiley. Yes, good joy. Yes, the hair is so cute. Very nice. Have you seen the movie Boss Baby? Have you seen the movie Boss Baby? The baby will be like this. Whatever you have drawn, the same way the baby will be that in that movie. Okay, so have I seen all of your notebooks? Did I miss anybody? I missed Arjun. Arjun, did I saw your notebook? I'm sorry, did I see your notebook? Arjun, where are you? Yuvansai, I didn't see your notebook. Can you show me, Yuvansai? I forgot. Can you show me? Oh, nice. Very nice. The hair coloring is too good. So blacky hair. Very good. Nivin Surya, did I see your notebook? Nivin Surya, can you show me? Nivin Surya is going to show me now. Can you move it towards your left? Move it towards, yeah. Okay.
It's taking long.
Okay, very good, Nivin Surya. Okay. Others, did I miss anybody? Kaushik, I didn't see your Kaushik. Where are you? Masvin, can you show me? I didn't see yours, I think. I didn't see yours. Lift it up. Can you lift your worksheet little up? Okay.
Ma'am, video is not.
Okay.
It's
My video is not clear.
Wow.
Very good, Masvin. Yeah, good job.
Good job.
Okay, children. I think
Today.
now what we are going to do is we are going to sing a rhyme. Happy rhyme. Okay? Somebody's talking. Can you stay on mute, ma'am? Please. Please, others stay on mute. Thank you. Okay. So we're going to sing the happy rhyme. You already know the happy rhyme, right? Hey, Satvik, I didn't see your notebook, Satvik. Show me, Satvik, please. Can you see your worksheet? Satvik? Can you see your worksheet? Show me your worksheet. What have you drawn? Wow, nice, Satvik. Very good. Such a big smiley. Very good. See, he's also smiling like whatever you have drawn. See, I'm showing you. You remember our friend in the beginning we saw, right? He's also showing like this. Good. Very good. Okay. You have drawn the stars too. Very good, Satvik. Okay. Now we are going to sing the happy rhyme. Sit straight, everyone. Keep your pencils down. We have drawn something. Now we are going to sing the rhyme. Okay. You're going to clap along with me and then sing the rhyme. Okay. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Ready, everyone? I think some of you are not ready. Please keep your worksheets or pencils, anything down. We're going to sing this rhyme. And then we're going to get back to the activity, snake activity. Remember? We are going to do the snake activity. Only if you sing the rhyme, we're going to do this. Okay? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. You know how to stamp your feet? Yeah, I'm seeing many of you getting up. I think you know to stamp your feet. Yeah, you can sit and stamp too. See, ma'am is sitting and stamping her feet. You can sit and stamp too, no problem. Okay, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. See, ma'am is turning around. And then turning back again. Turn around. Turn around. Yeah. If you're happy and you know it, turn around slowly one time. Yeah. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. Aravaksha, turn around. Yeah. Very good. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Jump, 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 jump. Yeah, very good. You all drew a smiley, right? So you should be happy now. So you all jump. Gautam, can you jump up and show me? Get down from the chair, jump up and show me. Mahaswin, you too. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Jump, jump. Yeah. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Jumping is enough. You're going to shout hooray now. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! Very good, children. Very good. Now come back. Everybody get ready with the strips now. I told you to get 2 strips like this, right? Ma'am has got white and green. You can also have any color you want. Yes, no problem. Any 2 colors you want, you can have it. Yes, many of you have colored it. Very good. Yeah, Satvik, I can see. Gautam, very good. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, see these 2 steps. Get help from your parents. I'm going to stick this. Okay, I'll just pin myself so that I can see what I'm doing. You can also see. Okay, see, ma'am is showing 2 steps. I've got 1 green and then 1 white. No problem if you have 2 whites. I saw somebody who have done with newspapers too. Very nice, Dayanand. I saw yours. So now what I'm going to do is I have got a gum here. So I'm going to stick this paper together. Okay. See what ma'am is doing. I'm taking the gum. I'm just going to show you. See. Just give me. I'm going to stick this on this. See, I'm going to stick this on like this. I'm going to press it. So, see, I have sticked it now. Can you see this? I've sticked it like this. So, I can see a L or 7 like this. You can also try sticking it like this. I've got a L.
I stick one.
You have sticked it? Okay. See, I've got a 7 like this. You will also get like this. Have you done this, children? Slowly, no problem. You get help from your parents and then do it. Yeah, you will have 7 like this. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, press it nicely so that it sticks properly. Slowly, no problem. No hurrying up. Yeah, Kavin. Yes, Roshan. Yes, Kritvik. I saw that. Yes, Adya. Yes, Aravakshad. Yeah, I saw you sticking white and blue. Very good. Yes, Gautam. Very good, Gautam. You got an yellow and blue. Very good crepe paper. Yeah. Yes, Satvik. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, see, I'm having one as sleeping line and one as standing line. You're also having like that? Sleeping line and standing line? Yes, Roshan. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to hold the place where I sticked. I sticked it right here. I stick it here. So I'm going to hold that with my left hand. Okay. And I'm going to take this one standing line and put over it. See? I'm going to show you. See? I'm having like this. Are you able to see this? Now I'm going to take this, put it over it. So I have put like this. And then now I'm going to take the sleeping line, put over this. See? I'm going to take the sleeping line and put over this. Yeah. Then something is on the top. Now I'm going to bring it down. First I put it up and then left. Now I'm going to bring this standing line down. And this one, I'm going to move it to the right. Is everything clear for you? Is anybody not clear with this? Let me know. I'll do it from the beginning. I think most of you have already done it. It's very easy. Now I'm going to take the one standing line down. I'm taking it up and then right to left. Then up, opposite. Always you're doing opposite. Up to down, left to right. Press it nicely. Then down to up, right to left. See, I'm getting like this. Are you all getting like that? Yes, Kritvik. Yes. Then top to bottom, up to down. See, up to down, left to right. then top, bottom to up, right to left. Ma'am has got a small snake. See? Yes, Jay Krish, very good. Yes, who is that? Lisha? No, yes, Lakshita. Yeah, I can see Lakshita. Very good, Shiva. I see that green color. Yes, Satvik, very nice. Super colorful. Yes, Lakshraj, very nice. Yes, Sadhya. Yes, Lisha, I can see that. Yes, Dayan, I already saw your paperwork, which was very nice. Slowly, no problem, Aravaksha. Do slowly. Left to right. Then bottom to up. Down to up. Yes. Down to up.
Down.
The last one. Very good, Haswin. Yes, Gautam. Very nice, Gautam. So nice. Now the last one, I'm just going to apply the gum again and then stick this together so that the snake doesn't come out. See, I have sticked it. You also apply gum towards the end and stick it so that it doesn't come out. Lakshra, Jay Krish, you can also do it and stick a gum
How
at the
is
end.
my snake?
Very nice. Nice, Shiva. Your snake face is too good. You got a nice eyes for the snake. Very nice. Yes, Adya. Yes,
Mom!
Shiva, can you please say
Thank you, ma'am.
now? Others you can do slowly. Now those who have done it, you would have got a heart like this, right? Heart cut out like this. Take a paper like this, cut it like a heart, or like a petal of a flower. Yes, Dilsik, very nice. At home, you can try it here. Very good, Diana. Green color and yellow color, very nice. Those who have done it white today at home, you can use a crayon. Others, please stay on mute. Very good, Aravaksha. It's so colorful. You can use crayons in this white paper and then you can do a snake with whatever color you want. Okay. Now you would have got heart like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the heart or the petal like that shape in the snake. On the snake. I'm sorry, on the snake. That you'll get this. Very good, Lakshraj. The snake is looking so cute. Staring at me. I'm a little scared today. So I'm going to stick the face like this. Just take a cutout of paper, a white paper. You can color it if you want. You can color it if you want. Just stick it on this snake. And then what are we going to do? We are going to make the snake angry, happy or sad. Shall we make this little angry snake? Okay. So on this heart, after you stick it or even before you stick it, I'm going to write it with my marker. You can take a pencil or a sketch pen. I'm using my black mark. You can use your black sketch pen if you have. I'm going to draw. See, I'm just going to draw eyes. No, this is not working. I'll just take a new one. See, I'm just going to draw eyes. And then I'm going to draw it little angry. So I'm going to take these eyebrows like this. Little bit. And then I'm going to draw angry, not the one. It's staring at you. It's not at all much. It's doing a sarcastic smile and staring at you, my snake. See? That day I did a little bigger snake. Why did I keep it? Yeah. You all saw that, right? It had a big, nice tongue. It is coming to bite you. Yuvansai, show me a snake. Let me see. Nice. Super cool. Very good. It's staring at you. Did you draw the eyes for that snake? Okay, good. Yes, Adya, good. I can see that. Yes, Roshan, you sticked it. Now can you draw the eyes? Nice, Dayanand. Very nice. Yes, Satvik. Very nice, Satvik. Super cool. Very good. Yeah, Ravakshat. Very nice. Nice eyes. Bigger, bigger eyes. Yes, Nivin Surya. Yes, Nivin Surya. Very nice. Blue color. Very good. Your sister is helping you out there. Very nice, Lisha. Green color. Did you draw a smiley for it? Can you try drawing a smiley or angry face for it? Very nice, Nivin Surya. I saw that. Yes, Seven. Such a nice. Very nice. Very nice, Seven. Good job. Very nice. Red color snake. Is it red snake?
Yes.
Okay.
Angry snake.
Nice, Gautam. Very nice, Gautam. Oh, I'm so scared. It's very scary. Your snake is very scary, Gautam. Yeah, Ravakshat, done. So quick, Ravakshat. Both of you has done it. One of you show me who has finished it. Ravakshat. Who has finished it? Yeah, sit down. Sit down and see. Sit down and show me. I cannot see your face. Yeah, now I can see. Show me. Show me a snake and a. Yeah. Wow. Very nice. Okay, then whom? Kavin. Kavin. Who else I have not seen? Yeah, Sadvik, I saw that. Nice.
Smiling.
Hmm.
Ma'am, smiling, ma'am.
Elsie. Yeah, nice smiley. The snake is smiling. Good, Lisha. Very good. Okay. Anybody still going?
Look.
Have everybody finished it? Very quick. Yes, Kavin. Nice snake. Orange color. Orange color face. I see that. Good. Yeah, Devkrish. Nice, Devkrish.
Look.
Nice, very nice. Did you stick it at the end?
Thank you.
Did you stick it at the end like me? I sticked it at the end, right? Like this. Did you stick it at the end? At the end. See, first I sticked it. I used gum 2 times. You also sticked it 2 times? See, ma'am is showing like this. Okay. Okay, very good.
Got it, ma'am.
Nice tail, Krish. Your snake is having a nice tail.
Done. Super, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Arjun, you're back. I'm going to see a snake, Arjun. Very nice. Very nice, Arjun. Green color. Okay, snake is coming to bite me. I'm going to run out of this. Everybody is bringing the snake to bite me. I'm now scared. I'm going to show the scared face. First, I'm surprised to see all your snakes. I'm going to show surprise, and now all the snakes are coming closer to me. I'm scared. I'm scared now. Okay, very good, children. Give a big round of clap. All the children over here. Very good. You did a good job. Very good, Grithvik. Okay, now can you all keep your snakes down? Has everybody done with your snakes? Can you keep it down?
Ma'am. Here, ma'am.
Who is showing me?
Mama snake.
I saw all of your snakes. Have I missed anybody here? I think I saw all of your snakes. Sorry?
Mama.
Can you stay on mute, others? Okay, quickly I'm going to show you the number names from 15 to 15 to 20, no, 11 to 15. So you're going to write the number names 11 to 50 one time in your rough note today. Okay. Those who have worksheets, in the worksheets you can trace 11 to 15 alone one time. Okay. So quickly we'll just complete in 2 minutes and then we'll close this session. Okay. I'm just going to show you. Give me a minute. You remember last week we were learning two new things. One, we learned about internal organs and external organs. And then we learned number names. You already, I think most of you know number names from 1 to 10. Yes? We'll just quickly go refresh the number names. ONE1, 2, TWO2. After 11, we'll go slowly. Okay? Just look onto the screen now. Keep your snakes down. Please look onto the screen. We're going to finish the class now. Okay? THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. Now moving on to 11. ELEVEN 11. I repeat after me, children. Everybody open your mouth, keep your snakes down. We'll do the snake game later. Now just repeat after me. ELEVEN 11. I repeat, it's a difficult spelling. ELEVEN 11. 12. I'm going to count first and then we are going to read the number name. Oops. 1. So whenever you count, remember children, you make a tick mark like this so that you don't miss anything. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now if I check, I have made a tick mark for every apple. So that means I've counted all the apples and the number of apples here is 12. TWELVE 12. Don't get confused with 11 and 12. Here also you have ELEV combination. Here also we have ELVE combination. So this starts with EL and this is 12. TWELVE. I'm going to repeat slowly now. You're going to repeat after me, please. TWELVE 12. Next is 13. Remember I told you that day on Friday. Whenever you have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, you will have TEEN at the end. So like that. 13. TH. Repeat after me. THIRT. EEN. 13. 4. If you know this 4 spelling, write the 4 spelling first. FOUR. 14. TEEN. 14. Ma'am will not say you one every time. Whenever ma'am says, you have to repeat along with ma'am. 15. FIF. 15. TEEN. 15. So that's all we have, children, here today. So what did we do from the class starting? We did our prayer, we did our attendance, small walking activity. We sang a new rhyme, God's love. Okay, we're going to sing the whole week God's love. And on Friday, I'm going to ask you the fly, fly, butterfly. Okay, on Thursday and Friday, we're going to sing On Friday, I'm going to ask you fly, fly, butterfly. Each one are you going to sing and show me. You remember the rhyme? Fly, fly, butterfly. Yes, I can see many of you shaking your heads like this. Okay. So that we did. We sang the rhyme. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. We sang God's love, and then we learned about emotions. 2 new emotions. What are the 2 emotions? Excited, surprised, and then you already know happy and sad. I knew you already know happy and sad. We learned excited. Excited is what? Super happy is excited. And then we learned surprised. Surprised. And then one more thing. What did we learn? Happy, sad. Okay, that's all I think. Then we drew. Yeah, we drew the emotions. We drew happy and sad emotions. And then we did the snake activity. Yeah, you all did a craft snake. You can play with that snake after this call is over. And then we revised number names 11 to 15. So what I want everybody to do is, today after this call is over, those who don't have worksheet in your rough note, write number names 11 to 15. Okay, one time. Okay, write neatly. And you can, those who have already done few homeworks on Friday, you can send me those homeworks. I'll look onto it. If I have any corrections, I'll correct it and send you back with a smiley and sticker. So you're all going to do homeworks from today regularly. I see most of you are already doing. So that's all I have for today. The class is over. Bye bye, children. Thank you so much. Say thank you, ma'am. Say thank you, ma'am.